If it blank, we will cancel the picnic. The answer is rains. First conditional. If plus present simple, will plus infinitive. If it rains, we will stay. If I blank rich, I would travel the world. The answer is were. Second conditional. If plus past simple, would plus infinitive. If I were rich. If she had studied, she blanked the exam. The answer is would have passed. Third conditional. If plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. I'll help you if you blank me nicely. The answer is ask. First conditional. Present simple after if. If you ask, I'll help. If I blank you, I would apologize. The answer is were. In formal English, were is used for all subjects in the second conditional. Blank I known, I would have come earlier. The answer is had. Had I known equals if I had known. Inversion in third conditional. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it blank. The answer is boils. Zero conditional. Facts if plus present, present. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. I wouldn't have been late if the bus blank on time. The answer is had arrived. Third conditional. If plus past perfect would have plus past participle.